I'm going to be taking you along with me as I'm going to declutter, reorganize and also deep clean my bathroom cabinets. We have a few problem zones, especially in the big cabinet and in the towels cabinet. I've had some kind of organization and it has been working so far, but as of late it needs a rethinking of this layout. The bathroom is quite small, so I have first let me declutter. I cannot put the camera in a few different angles. Then I have a basket here to purge. So I completely emptied out everything. Now I'm going to give a little bit of a vacuum clean and clean up the shelves. This is what I decluttered and it's all in the bathtub. I will be going through each things individually and purging all the stuff which we don't need. Some of them have probably expired. We cannot keep cosmetics for long. My deep cleaning routine is usually twice a year, and that's when I tackle all these hidden things in our home during spring and then in autumn. I prefer to get this done now because soon it will be Christmas season and we will have a lot of activities happening during that time. And moreover, there's not much gardening as of now, so it's ideal for me to do all this deep cleaning inside our home. I took all of this decluttering in stages. In the bathroom alone, I took 3 afternoons because I did one unit at a time because I have maybe a few hours in the afternoon left. So it was worthwhile to do this and I really like how it has turned out. I will be purging a lot of these samples and travel pack of cosmetics and shower gels. Some of them are collected by my daughter when we were traveling. She likes to collect the used shampoos from the hotels to use it as decor, but after a while, children forget it and now it's time to purge it. It's nice to really organize this, and this system has been working out since past couple of months as I'm recording this voiceover. Let me take you through what I've organized in each shelf. All these baskets are old. They are at least 6 years old. I brought them up from the cellar. It's working out really much better in the bathroom. On the topmost shelf, I have pedicure and manicure set. Then in the second one, I have my husband's shaving kit and some wax strips. Then in the third organizes all the bath oils and extra overflow of shampoos and body lotions. Then in these 2 white baskets, in one of them I have stored my husband's shaving kit and the charger, and the other one is some shower caps and plastic gloves. Then in the next one, there are some bath salts, some shaving gel and such. Then in the other basket is an overflow of extra brushes and brush heads. These 2 smaller white drawers are full of first aid kits and some extra bandages and stuff. This is the next cabinet which I will be tackling. This is our towels cabinet, and I also have other stuff like Ayurvedic oils and food trucks and many other things in it. It's a mismatch of many things in there. So this one needs a major revamp, and most of my bath towels are really very old, like they are like 15 years old and they are tearing apart, and so it was time to replace them, and it's also getting very rough. That was the reason why I wanted to do a full declutter and reorganizing in this part. This cabinet was custom made. This was made because of the gap which was between the clothes drop and the wall towards the door. And it has worked out very well. It's just that over the time, the organization has fallen away and I would like to get to it. We have this clothes drop in this bathroom as well as the one in the ground floor. On the ground floor, it is attached to the wall and it's easier for me to do the laundry because I have a big basket placed down in the basement and I can just drag the laundry basket to the laundry room and do the laundry. Let me tackle this area and see what best solution I can come up with to make it easier, and it also looks a little bit nicer. It's right now becoming a dumping ground. I tried to go in for the same color organizers, and I had all these baskets in the other cabinet. I just shifted them around from the glass cabinet into this one, and these bath towels and hand towels, I purchased them newly, and I like this color because it kind of fits the bathroom and it was time to be replaced. I didn't buy all of this at once. I bought a little bit at a time because bath towels can be quite a bit to invest in all at the same time. I was collecting them over time because these are Swiss made, and Swiss made bath linens and towels are usually on the pricey side, so I bought them a little at a time. I repurposed the basket organizers from the other cupboard to this one, and it fits much better in this cupboard over here. It matches the color tone. I decluttered and minimized whatever was in the hanging basket, and below this hanging basket I have some food rugs. I just have 4. The below shelf is where I have used this turntable organizer for putting in all my Ayurvedic oils and the other oils which we use regularly. And beside it is some cleaning rags, and that basket was taken and repurposed from the other cupboard. In the downmost shelf I have stored all the cleaning supplies in another turntable organizer which I have since about 7 to 8 years. So I didn't need to buy anything big. This turntable organizer for the oils, I initially purchased it for using it in the kitchen or in the refrigerator, but it just didn't work out, and it's working out very well here in the bathroom. We can get to the oils very easily, and we can easily see what's in the turntable organizer. We have 2 vanities, one above the sink area with a mirror and then one below. This vanity, above the sink vanity, we store also some medicines and some medicinal oils, and between the 3 of us we share this cabinet. But of course, my husband has the least stuff. My daughter and I have quite a few stuff. My daughter's and mine is mostly on the left side, and a little bit on the right is also my daughter's. The middle one is a lot of medicinal oils and some creams, and down my husband has his stuff. It's not too overwhelming. We have pared it down to the bare minimum. We also store all the body spray. I don't use much of cosmetics, just the basic cream or some kajals, but my daughter is slowly getting into it, and I try to limit it to organic and chemical free and paraben free stuff, so there's not too much of it. Here we keep the hair dryer. This is a very old one. This must be almost like 18 years old. And then I have some salt, earbud, and my daughter's hair ties and clips and such things. But it's not too much. It's everything we use. And also some of the charging cables and nail clippers and stuff like that.